If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error that says, "Please try again later," this quick fix can usually help. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to troubleshoot the problem fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. First, press Ctrl, Shift and N to open a new Incognito window. This helps you check whether X is working without the cookies, cache, or extensions from your regular browser session. Once the Incognito window opens, go to x.com and try loading the site again. If it works there, that usually means the issue is with your browser data or an extension. Next, go back to your regular browser and press Ctrl, Shift and Delete. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, make sure to clear both cookies and cache. Removing old cookies and cached files can fix login problems, loading issues, and the "please try again later" error on X or Twitter. After that, check your browser extensions. Click the extensions icon near the top of your browser, then look for any ad blocker you have installed. If you see one, click it and turn it off. Ad blockers can sometimes interfere with x.com and cause pages to fail or display errors. Once you've done that, refresh the page and try X again. In many cases, these 3 steps are enough to get the site working normally. So to recap, first test X in incognito mode, then clear cookies and cache, and finally disable any ad blocker extension. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.